If you see this plant, do not touch it and run. Ask for help if needed. Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. We all know that nature is very broad as well as diverse, but we also have the knowledge that we can get answers from almost all evils through it. But it is not always this way, since just as you have to learn to use their benefits, you also have to know that there are many dangers and things that can cause us a very unfavorable reaction in the body. Surely more than once, he has camped in a forest, outdoors. The worst night or day of his life has already passed, since they spend all this time in contact with things of which he has no absolute knowledge and which also does not frequent, and the body reacts defensively, thus producing allergies, irritations and other reactions. For that reason, you have to have at least a little knowledge of nature, and here we are going to teach you why this plant can make you blind just by touching it. In this case we talk about the plant known as giant cow parsley, a plant family of carrot, but that is highly poisonous. Attention! Do not get confused with the small parsley to eat. This is called giant cow parsley. This plant is characterized by having a green stem with purple hairy spots. This hairiness that owns the plant, both in its stem and in its flowers, is white, which is quite striking, but should be taken as a warning of its danger. The damage that this plant produces is produced by the sap that can be extracted from its stem. If its stem is broken and the liquid is extracted and it is put in contact with our skin, we can get blisters and this is irritated. Also, if it is achieved with our eyes, the damage can be worse, to the point of leaving us blind. Therefore we recommend that you take great care of it, and take the necessary measures so that no family member or yourself is affected by this plant.